Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'm going to tell you the location and firing order of the cylinders for a Toyota Highlander, 3.5 liters, 6 cylinders, from the years 2014 to 2020. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, and look at the engine. Once we're in front of the engine, we locate the cylinders as follows. Bank number 1 is near the windshield, and bank number 2 is near the radiator. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, the one that's near the windshield. Then cylinder number 2 would fire, which is near the radiator on the left side, that is, on the passenger side. Next, cylinder number 3 would fire. After that, cylinder number 4. Then cylinder number 5 would fire, the one that's on the right side, on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 6 fires, which is near the radiator, on the right. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you, salmon.